How to convert your SSR Minerva wheels to floating center caps. Firstly, remove emblem. Some heat required. Simply pry apart the two parts. Make sure to remove all adhesive. We now need to smooth the rear of the cap. The raised parts will affect adhesion. Sandpaper or Dremel make light work of this. Now to attach the emblem to the upper plate. Glue or 3 meters, your choice. Make sure it's central. Now to attach the Minerva bearing plate. Lots of glue. Press inside the back plate and leave to cure. Spin in your hand to check it spins centrally. Now insert shaft into bearing. A light coating of glue is required on the shaft. Final step, attach the counterweight. Make sure the emblem is horizontal. And here we have the world's first Minerva floating center caps. If you would like a kit, visit vipfill.com. Or if you want a custom set for any type of wheel, send me a DM. Thanks for watching, as always.